A civic reception for Crumlin man and Cape Verde international Pico Lopes took place in the capital today to honour his achievements in the World Cup. The Lord Mayor of Dublin said the Shamrock Rovers star was a proud Dubliner who'd represented both Ireland and Cape Verde so well on the world stage.
Celebrating his journey from Crumlin to Cape Verde, Roberto Pico Lopes returned to his roots at his first club, Lord Celtic, for a civic reception honouring his extraordinary World Cup journey.
Pico Lopes!
The only Irishman to feature in the tournament for more than 2 decades, the first active League of Ireland player to grace football's biggest stage, defending for the smallest nation to ever get to the knockout stages, in a football fairy tale featuring unimaginable performances against the eventual finalists Spain and Argentina.
As a young player, he was a smashing footballer and he was very focused, very good in training, very good in the matches. I couldn't fault Pico in any way.
Great to see a dub in the World Cup, albeit for Cape Verde. But again, I think it's so many, you see all the kids and everyone here today. It's great for the city, it's great for Dublin.
Pico Lopes is now back to the day job as captain of league leader Shamrock Rovers, playing Champions League and Cup games in recent weeks. But now he has a couple of more fans to contend with.
It doesn't matter where you come from or who you play for, like, you have to have dreams, you have to work hard and you have to believe you can get there. As I say, did I think I'd get there at 34? Maybe not, but I never stopped dreaming. And I think that's the important message to give to all kids, boys and girls starting out playing football. Be a dreamer, be a believer and work hard.
It inspires Lord Celtic that someone that came from our team went on to the World Cup. And I think he done brilliant.
How do you think he did against Messi?
I think he had a pocket.
Why?
I don't know, just every time Messi came at him, he just had him.
We always knew it was coming, that he was going to get knocked out in the round of 32 against Argentina. But it was good to see him play in the World Cup.
Just amazing to have a professional footballer that grew up like just right beside you.
Pico and Cape Verde's heroics have secured their place in modern football folklore. Samantha Libreri, RTE News, Dublin.